In today's video I'll show you how I've made $630 trading Bitcoin. I was longing, so let's start the trading breakdown. So first of all, what's the most important thing for me is the narrative. So I'm looking uh, for expansion followed by retracement followed by expansion higher. So as you can see, this was my POI. So as long as we was below that, I was bearish. But after we got that inversion right here, I was waiting for a retracement to this POI, and then on the lower time frame I was looking for an execution, because every high time frame expansion, retracement, expansion is lower time frame market maker model. So let's now jump into 1 minute execution. As you can see, we are inside our point of interest and we have cracking correlation. We have SMT with Ethereum. So the only thing now I need is the change state of the level, because we are already in a time of interest. I'm utilizing the 30-minute macros from the 45 to the 15. So let's wait for a changing state of delivery. So candle close above that will create a bullish breaker formation, which will be my entry. So yeah, we got the inversion, we got the retrace, and I actually entered somewhere around 50% of this breaker with stop below the lows, and my target was the high of original consolidation. I posted as you can see here, I posted about this trade. So now let's see what price is doing. So we have good reaction for POI. Then we got the retracement, but you don't close the position right away. Don't go break even when nothing on the left side of the curve is inversed, okay? And the most important thing is, look, this is just a retracement. We just get the expansion, retracement, and now it's time for expansion. Fractalize the market, guys. Also, if we are talking about the OTE, the 50%, look at this, guys. Look at this. Expansion, retracement to the 50% of previous expansion. What can you expect now? Expansion. The forever model, guys. The only one, the forever model. Learn this and you are set free in life. You might ask why I mark out this fair value gap, and some of you now can say, oh, you mark out this fair value gap because it was utilized and you just mark out this for this breakdown to show how important this was. Guys, I marked out this fair value gap when I just entered the trade. I knew this fair value gap and this fair value gap and this fair value gap will be important. So we got the candle close above this fair value gap, and you might ask why this fair value gap is important. Look how often it showed power. Look how many reactions we got from this one fair value gap, from this one single fair value gap. What you can expect after it? The same thing, guys. The same thing. This is your pyramid right there. So now don't ask me why I marked out this survival gap. You should know. You should know, guys. Okay? You should know. Boom, utilized. And okay, you now know the pattern. You know why this and that survival gap. But what about that, Corleone? This survival gap doesn't show any power. It wasn't utilized before on the left side of the curve. Why you chose that? This is the first survival gap. Guys, listen. This is the first survival gap of this leg lower. You have to mark this out. Look at that. Look at it's protecting. Look at how it's stopping us from going to the TP straight away. So what is the most probable things to happen? We are going to our marked out survival gap to get some power to then invert that survival gap and get to the TP, guys. And I know, yeah, after the fact it's easy to say, but guys, I see these things way before they happen. Here, this blue arrow, I marked out it just here, just in this moment. I knew this was end of this retracement, in the right place, in the right time. Look, beautiful, beautiful trade. $1,630 made with my Discord, because I'm owner of Wall Street University. I'm teaching for free, but the Signal group that I've posted this trade is premium. I'm right now at the start of the challenge, where I'm going to flip $1,000 to the $10,000 on a Bitget exchange. So current balance is right there. If you want to see more trade breakdowns like this, let me know. I will record this, and I think it's a lot of knowledge. And if you have any questions, let me know, and feel free to join my university, where I teach these things. I hope you find this insightful. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye.